Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying your account and enabling 2FA so withdrawals and trades are secure. Once done, fund the exchange wallet using a bank transfer or a stablecoin deposit. Make sure to account for fees and settlement times. Next, decide market versus limit. Market executes now at current price, while a limit hangs until your target fills. Choose order size relative to your portfolio risk and set slippage tolerance. This gets you into the market without guesswork. You now refine execution by reading the order book and checking 24-hour volume so your entry won't move the market. Once you place an order, set a stop loss based on technical support or a fixed percent to protect capital. Position size should reflect a predetermined risk percentage. If your order is large, use limit slices, iceberg, or TWAP algorithms to minimize price impact. Keep an eye on confirmations and order fills. Partial fills require deciding whether to wait or cancel. You finish trades by executing your planned exit, take profits at targets, use a trailing stop to lock gains, or close positions by a set time. Once closed, export trade history to reconcile fees and tax events and keep records like Form 1099 if provided. Accurate logs make accounting painless. If something goes wrong, first check exchange status and your network, cancel any stuck orders, and contact support with order ID and screenshots. This speeds.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.